Hey, what's up guys? I'm Dan H and welcome back to the project. Sorry it's been a long time since I posted a video, especially about Beach Jeep. Been really busy lately and had a lot of other projects to do. I did some videos, I actually filmed a lot, I just haven't edited and posted anything. If you want to know about Beach Jeep, I'll give you a quick update. She's on the side of the house and I'm preparing to do the engine bay work. I'm gonna clean up the engine bay before I put in that new engine. So right now it currently looks like this. And I'll be getting on that as soon as I can. I want to get this thing up and running for next spring, next beach season. Today we're going to be working on Black Beauty over here. Going to put these rain guards on this XJ. This was a birthday gift from my brother, so thanks Mike. I've always wanted rain guards for my Cherokee. I never actually got them for myself. He had to buy one, so thanks again Mike. So let's get this on. I'll show you what we're doing. So you're going to want to get these trim pieces in the best condition as possible, because once you stick on these adhesive strips, you're not getting to them. So take the time, prepare them, paint them however you want them, then you could go and stick these on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wipe these down with alcohol. And let's do this one right now. Gonna get all the dirt and grease and grime off it. Now I'm just going to hit the trim with the heat gun, give the adhesive strips something nice and warm to stick to. Did I mention it's almost December now and it's pretty cold? It's been a while since I worked on a Jeep. Guess a couple months. Man, time flies. Time flies, especially when you're busy. Alright. Line her up with the trim. Press hard. That is it. Wipe down the rear. Heat it up. Now these rear rain guards, they look symmetrical, but I think they're actually unidirectional. So make sure you got them on the right side and make sure the trim is fully seated on the door. So this gets the best fit. Now this 3M tape is the exact same stuff I used to fix the center console in the Mustang. If anybody has a Fox body Mustang and their e-brake trim starts to sag, this stuff will work great. So I'm all done with the rain guards, but I did come around back to the driver's side rear door. The way this mold was, this front trim piece was just sticking out a little bit. So I came back and I added an extra piece of this 3M automotive tape. This is the same stuff that came on the back of these things. This stuff is great. I saw Chip Foose stick a air dam onto a door of a Mustang with nothing but this stuff. So I would have to say this is pretty good. When it's cold out, it's probably better if you warm it up a little bit. That's why I had the heat gun. But I think this stuff should stick nice and firm once it cures up. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. Nothing difficult about this project. Super simple. But if you're going to do it yourself, go check out my trim fix video. Get your trim looking nice and right before you stick on these rain guards. So I'm going to go back and go edit some videos, catch you guys up. And once again, big thank you to my brother Mikey. Thanks for the birthday present. Sorry it took so long to put on. And good luck on your deployment to Afghanistan. Thank you for watching. Give me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next project.